Hello, everyone. It's me, Mrs. Gronert. We all know that plants need the sun and water to grow, but did you know that many plants need something else to grow? They need something called pollination. Today, we're going to find out more about pollination. Let's take a look. What is pollination? Written by Mrs. Gronert. Pollination is important for plants. Pollination is the transfer or movement of pollen from one plant to another of the same kind. Without pollination, plants would not be able to make seeds. So, how does pollination happen? Insects fly from flower to flower to collect nectar. Pollen in the flower sticks to the insect's body. Some bees even have pollen baskets on their legs to carry pollen. Look at pollen all over that bee. Isn't that amazing? And this bee, you can see the pollen basket on his little leg. Pretty nice. Bees are known for being pollinators, but many other insects are pollinators too. Ants, beetles, butterflies, bumblebees, ladybugs, and more insects are pollinators. Hummingbirds are pollinators too. Pollination happens when the pollen from the anther of one plant is moved to the stigma or pistil of another plant of the same kind. This helps the plant to create seeds. The insect goes into the flower to get nectar. The pollen from the anther of this flower sticks to the insect's body. The insect goes into another flower. The pollen from the first flower sticks to the stigma of the second flower. When the pollen lands on the flower stigma and goes down the pollen tube, the seeds will grow. Plants need insects to grow. Without pollination or the transfer of pollen from one plant to another, most plants would not be able to make seeds. Most of the fruit we eat depends on pollination to grow. Pollinators are important. I hope you learned a lot about pollination today, and I hope to see you again very soon.